Yesterday was one of the craziest days we've seen in crypto in a very long time. With over 2.15 billion liquidated from the crypto market in the last 24 hours, and every cryptocurrency coin, Bitcoin included, absolutely plummeted and is still in the red. And meme coin millionaire's portfolio dropped over 10.43 million amid market sell-off, and you can see his net change right here in real time. So if you are feeling the pain, trust me, a lot of others are as well. You are not alone. So make sure to smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell. We are approaching 500,000 subscribers here on this channel. Thank you so much for all of your support. Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Joe. We are approaching 500,000 subscribers. So if you like money and if you like crypto, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell to be notified when we publish new videos. They are very time sensitive and you're not going to want to miss out. Also, please understand that everything I say in this video is not financial advice. These videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only. And full disclosure, we do hold the cryptocurrencies that will be discussed in today's video. And if this video gets to 10,000 likes, I'll do a massive special giveaway for our community. So let's smash up that like button and let's get started. While the market is deep in the red, I believe this is a genuine opportunity. In my last video just 2 days ago, I was wrong about altcoins. There was something going on in the market, but I did say something was going to be very crazy. That's right, February is going to be very crazy. Let's go ahead and play this clip.
February is going to be a very crazy month. We got some stuff going on.
And yes, it's definitely been a crazy, crazy month. But the bounce from Bitcoin has been legendary, going all the way down to 91,000, bouncing back to 96.7 here in the short term. But in the rest of this video, I'm going to be giving you multiple altcoins that I believe are still undervalued and I believe are going to bounce the hardest, as well as breaking down why the Bitcoin price even fell down today. So if you're ready to learn, I'm ready to teach. Let's get started. Bitcoin's price is down today as it dropped all the way to 90,000 and in the coming days loses key supports of the 100 MA. Here you can see some TA for us. Bitcoin's price right now at the time of this recording has dropped by over 5% in the last 24 hours. And you can see though, this comes after the US President Donald Trump announced tariffs on imported goods from Canada and Mexico and China. Now the very key takeaways here, Bitcoin downfall as the president did announce these tariffs. Also, you can see the price needs to hold above key supports to avoid deeper corrections. So what I am liking though is seeing that key bounce right around the $95,000, $96,000 mark. Now the $93,000 mark, according to this article, you can see here, which the SMA is currently at 93,000. You can see right here on the charts, that's where we need to bounce from. And that's exactly where we did bounce from. And the RSI is way oversold in these current conditions. You can see expert traders are saying 98K to 108K is a rough area in which to watch. Everything in between will be choppy. So you can see literally between 108,000 and 90,000, we've really just been ranging back and forth for Bitcoin. But that's probably not why you're here. You're here because of the altcoins getting absolutely smashed. And that's because when Bitcoin goes down 5 or 10%, altcoins, as you're seeing, can go down 15, 20, maybe even 30 to 40%. And you might be wondering then, why are the altcoins selling off so aggressively? Well, here you can see the altcoins performance versus Bitcoin measured from Bitcoin cycle bottoms. You can see here in 2025, Pump Fund launched in April 2024. That was right here. And that is exactly when the altcoin run deviated from past cycles. And this is because with Pump.Fund, people can create tons of cryptocurrency coins almost instantly. And this diluted the altcoin market because all this money started going into all these different meme coins. And then from there, a lot of people just rotated. And a lot of people came in, lost their money, and then just left the market. And this is why you're seeing a massive bleed off in altcoins. But I believe there could be a catch-up trade here very soon. And let me explain why. Merlin the trader said this could be the biggest bear trap of this cycle. They did it in 2017, 2021, and now one in 2025. Every major bull run had a final bear trap before sending it. You're either getting shaken out or positioned for the biggest move yet, your choice. Now, I don't know exactly if we're going to go lower or higher from here. Nobody does. We are all guessing at this market. But you can see here that we've had very nice momentum, a bear trap before potentially going up one more long time here. And I believe in the rest of this cycle, you're going to see renewed optimism, FOMO, and then absolute euphoria. To me, I don't believe we've reached these levels yet. And you can see that we are now in the fear when it comes to the fear and greed index. Remember the saying by Warren Buffett. He says, be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. However, there's a lot of nuance in what he's saying. But you can see here, Bitcoin's price dropped 30+% 6 times in the 2017 bull cycle, only to rally to new all-time highs. Don't get shaken out. Volatility is the opportunity. So you can see here, every single time we dipped, 38%, 38%, 33%, 38%, 36%, 29%, all the way to the top here. Again, this happened multiple times. And again, this is what I think is happening in the market today. We could be seeing a bear trap. The reason why, again, I believe this is because we are seeing massive demand coming in here right at these massive critical levels. Now, if we do not hold these levels, that's going to give us a different warning sign. So again, right here, huge indicator for me that yes, we have come back and we are actually holding these levels, which is a really good sign in the short term. So again, something to consider right here, right now. These levels must really hold for us to continue onwards and upwards into the near term. Now, let's dive into those altcoins. What are some of the bigger market cap coins that don't look frightened? In fact, they're actually bouncing very high. You can see that XRP, SUI, Ethereum, ADA, Caspa, XLM, ICP, Jasmy, and Render are some of the big market cap movers that are not afraid to actually bounce and recover. And if we take a look at our YouTube buy series, we are still up over $2,000 in the profit on altcoins. And we have seen Solana, Pepe, XRP, Chainlink, Cardano, Near Protocol still massively in the profits for us. And this is because in the bear market, we ended up getting some incredible entries. So if you want to hold and have a long-term outlook and portfolio, it is very interesting to see what coins are actually standing the test of time. They are the top cryptocurrency altcoins, the ones like XRP, the SUIs, the Ethers, the ADAs. These are the core coins that should, in my opinion, make up a majority of your portfolio. The reason why I say this is because they are currently bouncing the hardest, and they are definitely ones to keep on your radar. But what are some of the other coins that are bouncing the hardest right now today? One of which is a meme coin, Toshi, which we've been sharing here on the channel. Its market cap's $400 million. You can see that it has bounced very nicely off of its previous all-time high, basically confirming it as support, bouncing now up over 38% on the day. These are the meme coins that are sticking out in my mind and definitely one to keep your eye on. Other meme coins like Dogecoin are also holding up pretty well, sitting at 25 cents here, basically retesting where we broke out all the way back in March of 2024. Now is the time to really dig in because you're getting some incredible discounts that we have not seen for literally almost a year. Now we've also seen coins like Solana down 32% from its all-time highs just a few weeks ago and up literally thousands of percent over 4 years ago, bouncing nicely. You can see it went all the way down to $186 and now back within the next 24 hours all the way to $200 at the time of this recording. And if you want to trade some of the altcoins that we share here with you on the channel, you only have 8 days left to get up to $350 in bonuses by simply clicking the links down below for CoinW, following the steps here. And we also have a free Telegram trading group for you to join, where many of the traders are making profitable trades. And if you want some of the hottest meme coins to trade, Blofin is also offering you up to $100,000 back in trading fees once you sign up and trade on Blofin. Simply click the links down below in the description using our referral code. And if you want to know how I made $200,000 in just 1 week trading crypto and learn my proven system for finding hidden altcoin gems before anyone else, click the links down below and join us in VIP. Many of my students made thousands of dollars in the last bull market. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in our next video.